Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get new notifications. Guys, let's talk about this. Can Terri and Lyta still catch up with Rema and Fireboy? At the beginning of 2019, most of our predictions for the year were centered on how the likes of Terri and Lyta were going to be the next blown stars. They had shown a few glimpses of their potentials. Terri had a stellar verse on Soko. Lyta also had an impressive run at the close end of 2018, where he had a string of successful singles and also held a secondary school tour. Terri and Lyta could not take over 2019. Beginning of the year 2019 was flung wide open as most A-list acts took a break. Terri and Lyta relaxed also. They made no effort to execute a music project, while Lyta had the excuse of former label YBNL holding him down with audio signing and non-existing label calendar. Terri had no excuse. This led to the likes of Fireboy, Joeboy and particularly Rema taking advantage of the game. They came through with good songs and the whole industry accepted them and continued to yearn for more. A lot has happened in the lives of Terri and Lyta in the last 1 year. Terri was inactive while the likes of Rema were ruling with hits. Lyta got booted off YBNL and his career is just there. Can Lyta and Terri make a big comeback? To answer this question, we went ahead to check through the social media pages of both Lyta and Terri to at least check if they have got something cooking. It's quite disappointing to see that Lyta has gone back to his old ways of posting pictures and flaunting hairstyles for his fans. We expected that the Doro Music frontline act should be on his toes and ready to come all out with amazing sound to win the heart of music lovers before any artist of his class does. However, Starboy Music at Terri got something coming already. According to what we obtained from his Instagram page, it seems Terri is already preparing to drop a music project tagged Afro Series, and we expect that a quick release of this music project will skyrocket his career this year. What do you think, guys? Since the likes of Rema and Fireboy dominated 2019, the question is, will 2020 be the turn of Terri and Lyta? Do you think Terri and Lyta could still catch up with Rema and Fireboy? We would really love to have your thought on this. Drop your comment below, guys. Until next time, take care, stay blessed.